good afternoon, guys. I'm Bruce Walter with Unilock Midwest. With me today is 𝐜𝐨𝐸 behind the camera. Hashtag vloggy for you Instagrammers out there. Anyways, we want to discuss with you today how to start wall construction, all right? And if you look back in the early 90s, mid 90s, when retaining wall blocks kind of came into play, where we began to build vertical features in the outdoor backyard environment, kind of want to progress that a little bit. So let's go down here. I've got ASTM. Obviously, back in the day, we would dig our trench. We would import 6 inches of 3/4 minus ASTM C33. All right, and then we would begin to build our wall, one block to the next. Okay, so a couple of things about that. First off, here with the base material, let's talk about that. You see good consistency of fines in 3/4 in this area here, but there are certain areas, and I'll push down on that, where I have much more fine, so there's inconsistency here with that base material, right? We'll talk a little bit more about the advancement and the progression of the base materials here, but before I cover that, I wanted to bring that up. So let's go back to the day, again, when we were setting retaining wall block, all right? And bear with me, we've all done this quite a bit. We'd use our 𝐸𝐨 level here. We would level across this way and then front to back on this direction on that level. Now let's set each piece individually. We weren't using any level of bedding here, all right? We were counting on the performance of that 3/4. But again, we've dug a hole. This is the bottom of our installation in the backyard. This is where water is going to it. Saturation, all right, and water is going to be an issue with the long-term performance that's supporting your wall, all right? So, I remember the first patio that I did block to block like this. I started on a raised patio at foundation level. By the time I went around the exterior of that raised patio, I was 1.5 inches low off of concrete. I still blame the concrete guys for that. All right, so now if you're still doing this technique, I encourage you guys to kind of follow along with this. This is a video more for your benefit, to increase the accuracy, do a better performance on your installation, all right, as well as make it quicker, all right? A lot of the tools that are available now, all right, are gonna make your installation both better and quicker. So, starting out with a level here. This is 2-foot level, obviously. I have one set position here. I can advance that level, translate that elevation 2 foot out. So kind of a limiting factor here, but obviously a better improvement over the 𝐸𝐨 level that you can see there. Then we kind of developed and got into the line levels, all right? That allowed us to transfer an elevation a little bit further out, but still not very accurately, okay? So, we were kind of fortunate, a lot of us invested into the lasers, kind of the advent, you know, we went into the opticals, then to the laser instruments in the backyard, and that definitely helped improve mostly a better position. It made it quicker as well. Zip levels came along, great instrument as well. The gas content and the calibration on these two instruments to me were a little bit of an issue, and I think that brings us here to where we're at now. The instrument that I like is the U level. It's got mineral spirits, all right, an oil-based mechanism to receive the information and data here on this tripod. I like the magnetic, all right, and I'll show you how I like that as well. Now, before I get into that, I want to back up a little bit and kind of introduce the components that we like to use on the wall. So we did our first wall installation over 10 years ago, part of our rainwater harvesting. Well, we've got our ASTM 57, the 3/4 clean, and then our number 8s over here for chip or for bedding material, all right? You're going to notice screed pipe, allowing us to transfer elevations over the distance of 10 feet here on this 10-foot screed pipe, right? So our installation technique, I like to set at the very end of the pipe, obviously. I use that magnetic to set that pipe here, all right? And then I'll transfer that same elevation to all 4 points on this. I will run my screed pipe through that channel and then only have to re-measure my outside points of those pipe once I push this screed pipe through the channel, all right, further along. Anyways, some of the tools now, instead of getting down, I certainly could get down on my knees and strike this off just as we do a paver installation. All right, I'll do that here, going side to side. Important that I have exposure of clean top of pipe, all right? But even this technique I think is a little dated. Let's back up a little bit. The old concrete come along here. So basically a concrete ring allows me the opportunity to move the ship quite easily. And again, it's about efficiency and quality. That's what we're looking for, both on any of our installations that we're currently doing. So, now the other feature, this is great for straight wall installations, right? When we've got a pipe going through a straight channel to begin our base work. Over here, to my left, to your right, we've got the pave tool chain and pipe scenario here. I'll kind of walk out of our training pit a little bit to show you that. Again, we've used the U level to transfer the elevations on these 4 points, both in left to right, as well as front to back. I do like their larger component here, their screen board, if you will. All right, I can pull that material out. If I feather that material, I want to position a little bit more aggregate in the low point. All right, and I still do like to go side to side as best I can. All right, so easy way to level instead of going block to block. Now, once I have my platform leveled off, I always start my wall installations with a base plate, no matter what the wall is. Here I'll grab the universal U-Cara base plate. I would normally have a chalk line that I would be following, all right? Both here on my chip bedding area, as well as potentially on top of this. Now, why is this base plate important? Why do I like it? Well, let me show you over here. Here I've got 3 courses of the U-Cara backer just glued up as a single position. If you're doing any type of wall on a single point like this, recognize the fact that it's with backside pressure, easy to move that out of plumb. Over here with the base plate, acting like a footing, all right, to help stabilize that wall when I put pressure on it. So you see I'm moving the entire cart. So this is more, again, universal base plate supporting a standard backer. But here with true retention, I've got even that base plate potentially laid out on a soldier. All right, again, good resistance, because for me to rotate that wall, I have to have downward pressure here and upward pressure on that backside. So again, base plates, highly recommend that as best practice. All right, that's all. Do good wall installations, guys. Thank you for your time.